de aquí, no quiero que la toques y la agarres, ¿eh?
Ok.
Déjala ahí, a gusto ahí. Nadie se suba ahí, déjenme. ¿Oyeron? José, ponte a alzar ya eso, José. Ya no estás jugando con él, ponte a alzar. No quiero que... Déjalo, Leo. No las pertenece.
Mami.
Leo, vete acá.
She's like super cute. She's like super cute. Her name is Wera. She's very cute, and yeah. This is our new cat. He is it. She's a girl. She's so sleepy today. It's a girl. Yeah. So I hope you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe. How do you have a cat? Or do you have a new cat? So, bye.